Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have some things from TEMU to show you. I have a small haul, not very big anyway. Let's see what I got. The cats are right here, and they want to walk on everything. I'm going to start off with jewelry so that I can move it out of the way so they can walk through and not get stuck on things, hopefully. So TEMU has some really nice jewelry, y'all. If you have not seen any of it yet, if you have not tried it, so of course, like anything, there might be some junk, but they have some good things too. So I like longer necklaces because things around my neck and that type of thing bother me. So I got this. This was $2.69. It's blue stones. Look at how pretty that's showing. It's hitting the light just right, and it's silver tone necklace. It's like a snake kind of a necklace, I think, and it's long. So it goes. It's I don't know what maybe that is that 30 inches or 28 inches. Of course, it doesn't go with this blouse, but look at how pretty that is. And this is gonna be around a while. This is not going to break. Now the chain, is delicate. So if the chain were to break, you can put this on any silver chain or even a ribbon, like a black ribbon or something. This is gorgeous. It is heavy. It's not too heavy to wear, but it's well made is what I mean. It's, like, what do they call that when, goodness, with metal, but these gorgeous blue stones, and then there are little like pave. All the stones are blue. I was trying to see if maybe some of the stones were like a diamond color, but they're all blue. And there's rings in between each of the stones. Oh my goodness, that is just gorgeous. The way it's hitting the light. Now that's the back of it. And that was just $2.69, y'all. That's all. Isn't that gorgeous? I didn't realize that. Oh gosh, I want to stand under the lights all day and wear that. It's so pretty. And well, I have earrings on just because I work today. So I did get these earrings. So let me put these on and show you. These are very lightweight. This is just two pieces of a swirl of a gold, and they are metal. And I think they're going to be really nice. These were just 98 cents. I like a French hook because it just keeps air. When I put a French hook in, I just squeeze it the first time. Isn't that pretty? And then they really never fall out. I don't have to use one of those little plastics or anything. Here's the other one. Make sure. 98 cents, y'all. And the thing is, these, if I lose one, it's not the end of the world. You know what I mean? So I put it in, I give it a little squeeze, and they go great with this outfit. With red, with many things. The thing is, you can wear these with many, many outfits. So those are beautiful. And then I got this necklace. Let's see, I haven't looked at it yet, so it's a little tangled, but this one's gold colored, and this is like a, let's see how this goes. This has a rose on it. This is this was $1.43, and that has a black rose with what looks like diamonds. Of course it's not, but it's like a lariat. Is that what you call that? So you can adjust this. It is held in the middle, but you can adjust it if you want it longer or shorter. At the bottom are two black roses, and the back is gold. So if it were to move around, it's not that, it's still pretty if it gets to the back. And this one hangs about here, and then you can see it would hang like that. So it's like a cloisonne, the black part, just shiny metal, and then the black diamonds. The diamonds in there. Of course, fake diamonds. So $1.43 for that. And then I got other different things. So I got these thank you cards. These were $1.49. And I've seen them, they have many different styles. I've gotten several different styles. They come and go on pricing. You know, sometimes they're a little more expensive, sometimes they're a little less expensive. There are 50 in here. And they're just little cards like you would get, you know, like we used to get if you went into a florist and you got a little card or you could, you know, write something on it. So it says thank you, and on the back it's blank. So I can, you know, put these in giveaways and write, you know, thank you so-and-so, you know, congratulations on winning, you know, thank you for your support or whatever. So they're just pretty, and, you know, that kind of thing. It's nice to have for lots of things, you know. I mean, you don't have to have a channel to use little cards like that. You know, anybody might want to use that. I'm just really liking the jewelry a lot. So, and then I got this, I saw this. TEMU, and I didn't start off by saying anything. I am not an affiliate for TEMU. I know many creators that are. If you need to know one, let me know, and I can give you a list of names. Lots of my friends. So I actually am in a collab right now that there's 9 of us in there, and out of the 9, 6 are TEMU affiliates. So if you use their links, you can get discounts and coupons and what have you. I'm just telling you what I buy because I like to buy things. I'm not an affiliate. I never did do that. I just, you know, didn't want to do it. So, but my friends did, and what they do is if you use their link, they'll get points or money that is seeding money, so they can use it to buy other things to show you. So I just buy things that I like or that I, you know, need. So this, I saw this. They have all kinds of crafting, all kinds, and they have all kinds of things for sewing and that type of thing. I don't need 10 of these. I just needed one, but this is 49 cents for 10. And I just happened to grab 5 colors, and there's 2 of each color. And what this is a threader. So right here is a little piece of metal. If you can't thread your needle, you would put, you know, take your needle, take your thread, put this through the hole, grab the thread and pull it through, and then you threaded your needle. So it's helpful as we get older, as our eyes can't see real close up. And then 10 of them is a lot. I don't need that, but I'll put that in my sewing kit. And I don't do a lot of sewing, but you know, if I do a repair or something and I need to thread a needle, I've got these. Or I can pass a few along in giveaways. If somebody, you know, if you win a giveaway from me and you need one of those, holler at me and I'll throw one in. So then I got, you know, then sometimes you get things that, you know, like, oh, I sort of wasted my money on that. This right here, this is cute. This is cute. $1.98 for this. This is, I mean, $1.99 for this. It said that there are 8 books of sticky notes. And I did not expect this to be so tiny. But they are, look at their 8 packages, like you'd find this at the store, and then you pick one out. So there are, I don't know how many, there's sticky notes. I can't tell. Maybe there's 10 in there, not much. They're just cute little things. There's a frog. There's a kitty cat, a piggy. I don't know, a penguin maybe. That's a, you know, a tiger, and a bear and bunny. So they're cute, you know. I mean, you can throw this in a little gift bag for a child. Be great. This one right here, great for Easter, in the Easter basket, you know. In Christmas stockings, that kind of thing. So there's 6 in this package. So I thought there were going to be more just, you know, cute sticky notes. And they are, but, you know, they're packaged so nicely. I think I might give these to someone that has children for them to put in their stocking. Oh, there's 7. Oh, there's 6 or 7. There's 7 because there's the frog also. 3, 6, 7 packages. 8. Y'all, there's 8 packages. I keep dropping them. There's 8 for $1.99. And then there is this. I wanted some sticky notes. I wanted some cute sticky notes. So this was $1.98 for, this says that there's 200 sticky notes here. And there's 4 packages. So, and these are just hearts. Now these are cute. there's 4 colors of hearts. And that's sort of, oh, it was stuck together. Okay, maybe it's supposed to be together. Maybe it's not supposed to be separated. But anyway, these are sticky notes, and these I'll use, and I guess they were supposed to stay together. So, my mistake there. Anyway, 200 sticky notes, $1.98. Sticky notes are expensive these days. I also got this. These are just cleaning cloths. They say that they are a cloth, a dishcloth. So it's microfiber. It's really soft. You know, this is nice. If just for so many things, it's soft. What I've been using them for is dusting, and then I throw them in the wash. And when they get a little worn out, it's like flannel. It looks like, it says it's microfiber, but it looks like a baby blanket flannel, like a baby blanket that you cut up into squares. That's what it looks like. It doesn't look like microfiber. But you can use these to wash dishes, which I don't really do for dishes, but I use them for dusting and that type of thing. And they do last a little bit, but you know, they don't last forever. They're thin, and you know, they'll eventually wear out. It's good for maybe even keeping one or two in the car if you need, you know, a napkin or something, if you stop and get a burger, whatever. But this says there's 10 of them, and there's some different colors in there, and they're just nice little cloth. If you have a little baby kitten that you're taking care of, or a puppy, this would come in handy, this type of thing. And this was $3.49, and the cats like that. They're getting on it right now. Okay, and then I got this. There goes Camille. And this is a little disappointing, but maybe not. We'll see. These are slippers, and they were $1.35. And they're supposed to be, well, they call them like a sock, but doesn't that look like it's supposed to be a sock slipper? But look at how small it is, y'all. You know, what I would probably need like this. But I was thinking about it. Maybe they really stretch really good. Okay, Camille. They do have gripper on the bottom, so hopefully you won't slip. And well, they do stretch, so maybe my foot would fit in here. It said it was, you know, one size fits all, and I wear like a 9.5 or a 10 shoe, so maybe that will fit, because it does stretch pretty good. But I thought it was cute with this animal print trim to it, and then it is fleece line. Let me show you. It's fleece line, so nice and soft and warm. This would be, you know, you can wear these as slippers around the house, but you know, if you get cold feet in winter sleeping, you know, this wouldn't be like a shoe so much. It would be more of a sock, you know, around your feet. I think that would be really nice. So Camille has plopped herself down on everything. I have one more thing to show you, and it's something that I bought for Camille, actually. But she's like a little afraid of it, I think. I saw them on TEMU. I've already opened it. I've already given it to them. It looks like a potato chip bag. It says potato chips on it. And Camille loves to get in and under. She likes to go under the bed blankets. She likes to get in a bag. She likes to get in a box that's on its side, you know, and of course every cat likes to get in a box. But I mean, she likes to squirrel into things. So when I saw these, I had no idea how big they were. It was hard to tell. And they have them like in potato chip, pretzel, you know, different color bags. And this was just, I thought this was cute. There's some color on it and everything. And how it works is this is a wire through the opening. And this one came with this string here, but it didn't come with a toy. I don't know if you're supposed to maybe tie a toy to attract them in there. I don't really know. But it is washable. You can see it's just a heavy nylon. And Smudge has been liking it. But can you hear that, y'all? It is loud. So it sort of scares her. So, you know, so when you get in, she did stick her face in there, but then you step in there and it's all that crunchy, and she didn't like that at all. Now, it didn't bother Smudge. Smudge got in and turned around and looked out. So I thought it was really cute for the cats, and She's been a little more inquisitive about it lately, so maybe she'll try it eventually, but I thought she'd like it because that's what, they like to get in things like that. They like to just get in. So anyway, I even tried throwing some toys in there, and she just was afraid to get in. So that's my small TEMU haul, y'all. I really like this necklace. Really like it. And this one is just stunning. But I have my dining lights are overhead, so you'd have to walk around like with a flashlight or something. Everybody can see that sparkle all day long. Gorgeous. Y'all take care and count your blessings. So good to see you. Bye-bye.